Hi everyone. So this question here, being asked to solve this logarithmic equation. And now notice I've got a lot of logarithms here. I know that there are things that you can do to make this a little bit easier to solve and whatnot, but I'm going to kind of stick with the procedure that I've set up in the last couple of questions. I'm going to bring all of the logs over to one side. Okay, so this is going to end up being the log base 5 of x minus 4 plus the log base 5 of x minus 2 minus the log base 5 of 3, and that's going to equal 0. Okay, a colleague of mine showed me how to do this here, and what's great about this method is it works. It just works for every single one of these questions. It might not be the fastest in some cases, but it works. So you bring all the logarithms over to one side, and now what I'm going to do is going to combine them into a single logarithm. Now remember, I do this left to right. Okay? So I've got this logarithm, add this logarithm, so I'm going to multiply those together, x minus 4, x minus 2, keep going, and now I'm going to divide by that argument. Whoops, sorry. I'm going to divide by that argument, so this will become over 3. So it's this whole thing now equal to 0. Now what I want to do, now that I've got it as a single logarithm, I want to convert to the exponential form. So remember, your goal is always to get rid of the logarithms if it's a logarithmic equation. So you combine them all together. Sorry, I should say it in order here. Bring them all to one side, combine them, get rid of it. So now this becomes 5 to the 0 is equal to x minus 4, x minus 2 all over 3. Okay, good. The whole point of that exercise was to just get rid of the logarithms here. They're gone. Now I can deal with my rational here. 5 to the 0 is just 1. And I'm going to multiply through by 3. And when I multiply out the binomials there, I'm going to get x squared minus 6x plus 8. Bring the 3 over. And so, whoops, not therefore, but bring that over. And I'm going to get here that x, I want to make this clear, and I'm not doing myself any favors with my notation here. So let's say 0 is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 5. And when I factor that, we get x and minus 1 minus 5. So my two solutions here will be 1 and 5. But I have to check that. Okay, just because those popped out doesn't mean they work. If you plug 1 in, 1 minus 4 is negative 3. Nope. Can't take the log of a negative, so that's no good. The 1 doesn't work. Does 5 work? 5 minus 4 is 1. Yep. 5 minus 2 is 3. Yep. 5 works. So that's the answer I'm looking for.